Hi everyone. Do you like to increase your sales by many folds? Then watch this complete video. I will give you method by which you can increase your sales in many folds by just a little work. And the most profitable thing that you will get sales and then you have to pay. So everyone like this model. So I am your friend, your host, digital marketer and SEO magician Anuj Bhardwaj. So how can you do so? Let's see on practical basis what happens in offline marketing. Suppose there is 10 people in any niche. For example, in textile, suppose there are 10 people, then one is doing manufacturing and 9 are doing sales. That's why manufacturer can focus on quality, quantity, upgradation, etc. And remaining 9 will focus on sales, branding, marketing, etc. So in online also same model works. The name of model is affiliate marketing. Yeah, in online also there are a number of marketers which sell your product on commission basis. So you don't have to pay without sale. I'm not saying to leave the offline method, but start the online method also on a pilot basis. Believe me, you will get so much sale that you have not imagined even. And if you are already using, that's very good because it will boom your business, it will bring volume of business so that you can focus on marketing, branding. And if you are doing manufacturing, you can even focus on manufacturing, customer service, feedbacks, etc. So you don't have to focus on all these sales, can focus on other areas also because you are a business on. And even affiliate marketers, they are also business owners, they are also doing their own business. And believe me, they are so smart that they can say anything. But yes, they want commission. Some works on high commission, some works on low commission basis also. So you must implement this method. What are the benefits? Some benefits I told you and some benefits I am going to tell you now. Who are affiliate marketers? Affiliate marketers are also digital marketers, but their core business is selling other people's product. So in any business, you are involved in real estate, in textile, in software, in service, anything, and you want to get business, then start this model. What will happen? They will bring business and then they will get commission. This is a wonderful opportunity, and this model will go on. It will increase day by day. Even some big companies are researching that how can we implement this model to increase revenue, and some are researching that how shall I work as an affiliate marketing, as an affiliate marketer. So even big brands are going to work like affiliate marketers, so you can understand the power of this segment. And this is already a proof method, so you don't have to worry that it is a experiment or it will success or not. It has been successful in every business, so it will be successful in your business. But you just have to think that how it will fit to your business. For example, if you are selling low ticket products, then make a bundle, make a bundle of 2000. Affiliate will sell, he will get his commission. In this way, their sale will increase and Online selling is also a hard thing, offline sales is also a hard thing. So if you or your team alone will do it, it will take time. And if there are a number of self-employed person who are investing their blood and sweat for increasing your business, it will boom in less time. And I already told you that you can focus on customer feedback, what are the requirements of the customer service, research and development. You can focus on many aspects. Instead of focusing only on sales, you can upgrade your team, make their skills more developed. You can even take your business to abroad. You can do anything, because cash flow is blood of any business, and it will come through sales. And affiliate marketing are enough smart to sell anything, as they are doing in many sectors. But yes, keep in mind, keep in focus that whatever commission you are giving, it must be more than enough for them, because there is cost of acquisition of customer to them also. Now, how will you start? The question is, how will you start the affiliate marketing? Maybe you are a beginner in affiliate marketing sector, or you don't know about this sector, or you know a little. So how will you start? It is very easy, because there are a number of affiliate platforms. You can outsource that work to that platform. Automatically your sale will start coming soon, so you don't have to worry about that. And as you started to get knowledge about this, you can slowly make an internal affiliate marketing platform. But in the beginning you can outsource, that is beneficial for you. All the work that platform will do, you don't have to worry. And you just have to keep a affiliate manager maximum, who will take care of affiliates, about their commission, about their feedbacks, etc., their promo materials. In this way you can increase your sales and develop other departments, and it will work more than your dream. What you are thinking, it will be more better than you are thinking. So it is my humble request, if your affiliate marketing model is not ready, make him ready. Continue the offline sale and increase and start affiliate model. It will help you a lot, you have not imagined so. And definitely it will boom your business, not only in a specific country. You can move to the other countries also, other sectors also, because there are a number of affiliates. They will do sales and take commission, do sales, take commission. And what you are benefiting from this, you are getting sales, then you are paying commission. So this is an amazing model. So till now I've discussed about affiliate marketing, and please start this as soon as possible, because this is a very powerful thing. Even big brands are getting 80% of their sales through affiliate marketing. What, why do you need to outsource or have a team for sales when you can get affiliate? Do sales first and pay commission then. This is most profitable. So that's all for today. And if you want any questions, if you want to get any consultancy in regarding digital marketing, please feel free to contact me. And that's all for today. Thanks for listening to me. And if you want any other kind of video to help you, please give comment in the comment section. Thanks and have a good day.